Hi, this is Carole Conlon with LIfeWeaving. Today is the first in a series of 10 tips on working with spirit, which you will be doing if you start doing LIfeWeaving clearing or whether you're doing regular dowsing. The chances of running into spirit is easy. Our first tip today is what I will call you versus God. And this usually is the first program you're going to establish once you've landed on this planet. What happens is it will show up at 1 minute old or 2 minutes old, usually about after birth. And what has happened is that we have volunteered to come in to help the planet go through this ascension process. But the brochure did not mention that our unlimited spirit was going to be stuffed into a helpless little body. And what are we supposed to do? I mean, it brings up anger, hatred, betrayal, bitterness, all with God. It is a program, and it should be cleared. Currently, we're kind of still in the destructive stage of the ascension process. A lot of souls, though, are remembering and coming up with this program right now that I work with. So it's kind of interesting. It's very funny. And it's just another program that needs to be cleared. So nothing special. We just run it through the LIfeWeaving, and generally the client and I have a good laugh about it because it is kind of funny. We volunteered, and here we are. Anyway, that's the first tip, the God versus us program, and how to clear it. And be sure to stick around for more tips. And we will talk to you then.